for calling 911. My name is Fatass Mulehead, and what is your freaking problem?
Oh my God, I am in the crappiest situation of my life. I just took a freaking nasty dump in the restroom of a commercial airline, and there's no freaking toilet paper here to wipe my freaking butt. Can you help me out, please?
Well, sir, what airline are you flying on?
Spam am Airlines.
Spam Am Airlines? Well, that explains it, sir. Spam Am Airlines is a no-frills discount airline. That means no soda, no peanuts, lots of turbulence, and no freaking toilet paper to wipe your fat butt. Okay? Now I need to hang up on you, Mr. Dumbass, being I have 14 more brainless Nimrods on hold. Goodbye, and enjoy washing your left